Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial on ParaView. Let's get started. In the top left here, you have your open button, save data, save state. This one looks like save extracts, save catalyst state, as well as your connect and disconnect options, reset session. And of course, you can zoom out and zoom in the main view here. And you can get different angles by just dragging the vertex and repositioning it. Reposition as needed. You can toggle the coordinates here, the XYZ coordinates with that button, as well as the lights on the vertex here. You can drag the vertex, new ruler, new protractor with these two buttons. And of course, you can get any angle you need just by dragging, and any view you need by dragging the coordinates there. And just like the name suggests, ParaView really gets you some awesome views of whatever it is that you're working on.